Hey, I'm Wyatt. Today we're going to be talking about our trick tabs. So we make all of our trick tabs here in Loomis, California on our Bystronic laser and bend them on our Bystronic press brake. So these are super universal. We have them in threaded and unthreaded, so you can use them with or without threads, with a nut and a bolt. So you can use these for a variety of uses. You could hold body panels on, or any small bracket that needs to be affixed to a tube, like a roll cage or a tube chassis. So I've used some of these on my Jeep to hold a cage on a spare tire swing out on my Jeep to mount jerry cans and ice chest rack on my Jeep, so it's removable. They work great for that. They're made from 100 thou material, so just under 1/8 inch. So they're a small tab, not recommended for any heavy duty mounting purposes, but they'll work great for fire extinguishers or anything that's small and lightweight. I like to have a few of these in the toolbox at all times just because they're super handy. Never know when you might need to use a small trick tab for something. So all of our trick tabs are sold individually, or you can also buy them in bulk in our shop supply trick tab back. Next time you're shopping with us, throw them some in your cart. I'm sure you'll use them.
Thanks for watching this video. If you'd like to see more, click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to get notifications, like this video, and comment if you have any questions. If you want to see other awesome videos, check out these.